Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Pratmik Rachna Lesson 2 Present Tense Part 2 Vartaman Kal Part 2. Now we'll go to the lesson. Lesson 2. They have given the sentences in present tense. So we will understand the same. Vartaman Kal we say in Hindi for present tense. First one. मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं means I. Roj means daily. School remains the same. School itself. Jata hu. I go. Go. Here go is masculine gender. Jata hu. So whenever मैं comes, whom will come. So मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school every day. मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school every day. Next sentence. राम कब यहाँ आता है. Ram is a name of a person. It is a male gender. Kab means when. Yaha means here. Ata means come. Hai means is. So when will Ram come here? The meaning is that. So it is a present tense. The sentence is present tense. Ram kab yahan aata hai. When does Ram come here? राम कब यहाँ आता है. When does Ram come here? Next, third sentence. हम हिंदी सीखते हैं. हम means we. हिंदी remains the same. हिंदी. सीखते means we learn. सीखते means learn. It is a word सीखना, and from सीखना we write सीखते. हम means plural. So सीखते है will come and dot will come. है plural. हम हिंदी सीखते हैं. We learn हिंदी. हम हिंदी सीखते हैं. We learn हिंदी. Fourth one. तुम यहाँ रहते हो. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. कहाँ means where. तुम means you. रहते live. Whenever तुम comes, हो will end. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. Where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो. Where do you live? Fifth sentence. क्या सीता गाती है. Does सीता sing? क्या means what. Sita is name of a female person. Gati, Gana will become Gati here because it is female gender, and hai is. Does Sita sing? क्या सीता गाती है. Does सीता sing? क्या सीता गाती है. Sixth sentence. वे क्या काम करती हैं. वे क्या काम करती हैं. क्या means what. काम means work. वे means they. करना is to do. So वे क्या काम करती है. करती is feminine gender. That is what they have mentioned in bracket F. वे क्या काम करती हैं. What does do. What work do they do. What work do they do. वे क्या काम करती हैं. What work do they do. वे क्या काम करती हैं. What work do they do. Seventh sentence. मैं नहीं गाती. मैं means I. नहीं means not. गाना is the verb here, so it is feminine gender, so gati is coming here. मैं नहीं गाती, I don't sing. That is what they have given in the bracket. Yeah. Gati is female here. मैं. So मैं नहीं गाती. The person is female. So मैं नहीं गाती. I don't sing. मैं नहीं गाती. I don't sing. 8th sentence. हम कुछ नहीं करती. हम कुछ नहीं करती. हम means we. कुछ नहीं means nothing. करती means do. And it is female gender, feminine gender. हम कुछ नहीं करती. We do nothing. हम कुछ नहीं करती. We do nothing. Now we'll go to the exercises. Change the gender of the verbs in the following sentence. We have to change the gender. If it is masculine, we should write in feminine gender. If they have given feminine gender, we have to write in masculine gender. Example, वह गाता है should be changed to वह गाती है. गाता is male gender and गाती is feminine gender. वह गाता है. So we have to write it as वह गाती है. This is the example given to us. First, वह गाता है. So we know the answer. वह गाती है. He sings. वह गाता है. She sings. वह गाती है. Second question. मैं सुनती हूँ. I hear. That is feminine gender. सुनती. सुनना means hear. मैं means मैं सुनती हूँ. So masculine gender is सुनता. So मैं सुनता हूँ. That is the answer. Third question. तुम क्या देखते हो? तुम क्या देखते हो? This is a male gender. So देखते हो will come. तुम हो will end. तुम क्या देखते हो? What are you seeing? So how do we write in feminine gender this one? तुम क्या देखती हो? तुम क्या देखती हो? Question is तुम क्या देखते हो? So we'll write the answer. तुम क्या देखती हो? Fourth sentence. हम शहर जानते हैं. हम is plural. जाते हैं is male gender for plural and है with dot will come because it is plural. That will become are. We हम शहर जाते हैं. We go to the city. We are going to the city. We go to the city. So we have to write this in feminine gender. Answer will be हम शहर जाती हैं. Plural will be same. Only जाते will become जाती. हम शहर जाती हैं. Fifth question. आप क्या करती हैं? So it is given in feminine gender. आप क्या करती हैं? What do you do? So we have to write this in plural masculine. How do we write? आप क्या करते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? Sixth question. वे रोटी नहीं खाते. They don't eat roti or bread. So they have given in plural वे and खाते is male gender plural. वे रोटी नहीं खाते. So answer will be वे रोटी नहीं खाती. खाते will become खाती. वे रोटी नहीं खाते. Answer is वे रोटी नहीं खाती. Seventh question. मैं चाय नहीं पीती. So they are given in feminine gender. मैं is I, चाय is tea, नहीं पीती I don't drink. So I don't drink tea is the sentence. मैं चाय नहीं पीती. Seventh question. So answer will be मैं चाय नहीं पीता. पीती will become पीता. Male gender. पीता. मैं चाय नहीं पीता. 8th question. तुम क्या देखते हो? What are you seeing? So this is given in feminine gender. तुम क्या जाती हो? तुम 8th question is तुम कहाँ जाती हो? Where are you going? कहाँ means where. तुम means you. जाती हो it is feminine gender. Where do you go? तुम कहाँ जाती हो? So answer will be तुम कहाँ जाते हो. जाते हो will come for male gender. तुम कहाँ जाते हो? Answer for 8th question is तुम कहाँ जाते हो. Question is तुम कहाँ जाती हो. Answer will be तुम कहाँ जाते हो. 9th question. कौन दूध लाता है? So we will see the 9th question. कौन दूध लाता है? Who bring milk? दूध means milk. लाना is to bring. So लाता means it is a male gender. कौन दूध लाता है? So we have to write in feminine gender this sentence. कौन दूध लाती है? लाता will become लाती. कौन दूध लाती है? Question is कौन दूध लाता है? Answer will be कौन दूध लाती है. 10th question. आप कब खेलते हैं? So with respect they are saying when do you play? कब means when. खेलते means plural and it is play. है means are, है and dot, that is. आप कब खेलते हैं? It is given in male gender. We have to write in female gender. आप कब खेलती हैं? Plural will come but खेलते will become खेलती. आप कब खेलती हैं? So you practice this sentence, you will be able to say and write it easily. Thank you.